Good afternoon. I'm just going to demonstrate how to use a SampleSafe probe. We've got a series of videos that show how to actually fit the valves, and now I think it's about time that we actually showed you how to use the probe. So the probe is supplied in its own little protective case to keep it clean in the bottom of your toolbox and stop it from getting damaged or any of the surfaces getting damaged. Although it is made from 316L stainless steel, so it's a pretty robust piece of kit. And you'll notice that in the box there are two spare O-rings to go on the shaft in case they ever wear, and on the rear of the case is the QR code to download the app should you require the app to go with the valve for use for your customers. So I'll start off by demonstrating how the probe works. If you can imagine, this is the top of a central heating boiler. You just literally remove the cap. You would insert the valve into the hole with the boiler shut off. You'd insert your analyzer probe into the hole at the end of the boiler. Imagine that's the end of your analyzer probe. That will go down into there until it hits a stop. When it hits the stop, you tighten up the compression gland. You fire up your boiler as if you were doing the tests normally, and then when you're ready, you just press the button on your analyzer and that would sample the gases. The interesting thing is that the only gases that escape during the course of the testing are the ones that are actually pulled through the analyzer from the exhaust gases of your boiler. When you finish doing the test, you just remove the valve. It instantaneously seals itself, so you can leave the boiler running after if you wish to, and then you refit the dust cover to allow you to just protect the valve from any muck getting inside it. The valve itself is self-cleaning, so every time the valve is open and closed using the analyzer probe, basically speaking, it cleans itself inside and removes any residue build-up from the flue gases. Now, I fitted the analyzer hose probe in there to represent your analyzer. If you can imagine that sometimes you would be in a very tight corner working, instead of fitting your analyzer directly into the hole in the end of the analyzer probe, you could fit this the adapter, which is the hose adapter, which is supplied with the kit, put a hose over there, and then fit your analyzer probe directly into there and operate the valve in the normal method that you would to do your testing, and then the flue gas is sucked up through this hose, through your analyzer probe and onto your analyzer. By doing this, it allows you to get into really inaccessible places, and sometimes your boiler's fitted in the top of a cupboard where it might even be awkward just to use your probe under normal circumstances and get your cone in there to get the seal and everything else. By doing this, you can get your analyzer down to a reasonable level and to work on and take your readings. It's very, very simple to do. It's self-locking, so when it's in, it locks itself into position, freeing up your hands to do your job. And then when you finish, you just literally unclip it from using the bayonet fitting, which is the same as the bayonet fitting on the valve, and then just fit your dust cover, and everything is nice and easy for you to manage. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed our series of videos on the valves. Thank you very much.